Welcome to our latest video about the newest version of the IMPRISIS RichText API. Hello everyone, my name is Heiko Voigt. I'm the CEO of SIT GmbH and Harbor Light Software Development Limited. And today I want to show you an update of one of our latest products that we have been building. It's about our Domino RichText to HTML API. And to demonstrate a couple of the new capabilities, I'm just want to give you a quick demo of what this tool is able to do. So first of all, we start off in a very simple notes application that you see here. It's a to-do management application, and a couple of documents in there. And now I want to build something or add some rich text to this specific document about James T. Kirk. Let's give this a date to this. This is a to-do item. And for example, I want to write some rich text. Hello from rich text. And of course, we will have a couple of more items here. So we're going to be doing some formatting in here and whatnot. And a thing that is new for our API right now is let's create some notes specific things like sections. And I want to insert a section that I call, let's move that in here so you can see what I'm doing. Test section, that's all there is. I don't want to overcomplicate things. You can do a lot of formatting to this and whatnot. So this is my section that I have in here. And I want to extend this section by adding a table. Regular standard notes table, cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4. And of course we want to do something special in here. I want to import an image, for example. Let's import this one. Oh, this is a really big one. So we want to scale that down a little bit. And let's scale that to 20% in height and 20% in growth. So we have a nicely formatted table here, and let's move that stuff a little bit over here as well. So we'll get oh, come on notes. Notes and tables in rich text, it's been fun for 30 years and still fun today. Anyways, okay, let's leave it here, and so we can collapse this section. You can see that right here. We'll save and close this document and save it off. Now let's look at this thing from a web app perspective, and for that I'm switching over to our SIT web desktop. This is a generated web application built on the Domino App Dev Pack and React. It's auto-generated. It's everything that you see in here is auto-generated. So these applications that we will be dealing with are the same applications that you see in Notes. We don't have had to recode anything. This is functionality that our web application framework brings out of the box for you. So I have to authenticate against our identity access management server. And this is our application right here. That's the same application that we've been dealing with in Notes. So let's open this up. And here is our application, the same application that you saw in Notes now on the web as a React application in here. This also offers the opportunity to add this as a PWA to your desktop, so you can reuse that thing. And here is our Star Trek the Original Series document. Let's open this up. And as you can see, we have our table layout and our sections and our rich text part exactly in the same way that we see it in Notes. And now we want to do something. We will edit this. And for example, in here, we will add an additional image in here. And let's do an undraw basic image like this. For example, I add something to the rich text, and I'm shrinking this in the rich text editor that I have in here. And I'm going to do some formatting with the text here. Go make this bold as well. And for whatever reason, that's enough for my changes, and I want to save this. And as this has been saved now, when we reopen this, we should see exactly the same thing in here. And if you move over to our Notes client, then these changes should be reflected in the Notes document as well. And here we are. This is our formatted cell in the table inside of a section. And also, like the image resizing part that you saw takes place in here. This is the exact same image size that we have in the rich text over here. Of course, there's also the option to add additional things here. We're currently working on a extension here for the toolbar to insert sections into this document right away. I can already do this. For example, if I switch over to the HTML view, I can insert a section in the HTML. This gets rendered here, and I can already change the text here and say change the title of a section in HTML. And if we save this, so remember we created a new section in the rich text field in the rich text editor right here, and we're going to save this to Notes. If you quickly go back to Notes, you see that in this this is not here already, so there's only one section currently in the Notes document. Let's see what happens when we save this, and I pray to the demo gods that this will be working round trip. It should be, but you never know. So you see there has been an update to the document. Let's reopen it, and here is our section. Change the title of the section HTML. So this is a quick fidelity to have a lot of Notes features that are there in rich text to go back and forth through HTML and make it editable and workable in a as good as possible seamless way for you inside of these the rich text capabilities, and have a round trip fidelity as good as it can get. We're not perfect yet, but we're getting there. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.